Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're in my coffee shop. We're going to be making up a standard macaroon paste. Now this product is for making almond biscuits, macaroon slices, congress tarts, almond rings, fancy biscuits, cherry macaroons, Danish pastries and croissants. But what's interesting about this product, once you've made it up, you can store it in a fridge and just use it when you like. In the bakery industry, we can buy it in bucketfuls. And then that's what a lot of the bakers do. They buy it in buckets and just add water to it, which personally is too damn expensive. I don't know why they do this, but it's time consuming. But as a small baker, you're better off making it all fresh. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. The recipe is under the video in the description. Right, first guys, pop in all your dry ingredients. As you can see what Maya's doing. This is my assistant for today. I'm just showing her how to make the almond paste. Add in your sugar. That's it. And now what we're going to do is knock this machine onto first speed for 1 minute. Like Maya's doing. Now we're going to add in the egg whites. Now you continue to mix this for 1 minute. Now give it a good scrape down, like Maya's doing. That's it, get it off the bottom, because it always seems to stick to the bottom. Right, now what we're going to do is, Maya's going to pop that onto second speed for 1 minute. Now we're going to knock it onto third speed for 4 minutes. And you just let this mix around. It's that simple. This is probably one of the easiest recipes you can do in the book. Right, and now all we do now is take it off the machine and put it into a bowl. The important thing with this recipe is when you're making up, guys, is to make sure your bowl is absolutely grease free. This is the most important part of it. You don't want any type of grease into the product because it will just spoil. And there you go, guys. It's that simple. It's unbelievable. If you do like these type of videos, please subscribe and please share. Do check out my playlist below. Also, check out my Facebook page. Currently, I'm putting photograph recipes on there. So even if you haven't seen the video, you may find recipes on there that I haven't actually done a video to. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!